If you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching.
Before we get started, I would like to address some things. I don't know if you can see it on camera. I do look like shit. I haven't really recorded anything since October and it's March. I stopped doing all of my skincare. My dark circles are like a little more prominent. My discoloration around my nose is a little more prominent. My acne is a little worse. I'm just trying to figure out what's causing my chronic urticaria. My chronic urticaria has not stopped from me stopping my skincare, but it has calmed down a lot on my face. My face used to get super swollen, probably because I was using so many actives. I do get it on the rest of my body still. Here's to figuring out what's causing it. Let's get started. I'm gonna do a mishmash of like these two creators right here and make it my own as I do. I think where I'm gonna start is I wanna keep my inner brows, but I wanna get rid of my outer brows. So I'm gonna glue them down. I feel like gluing down half a brow is much more difficult for me than gluing down a full brow, because I don't know what to do with half the hairs. Princess! Where would society be if we didn't have mirrors? I think I'd be building rocket ships, setting my brows with some RCMA powder, brushing away the excess. I'm gonna go in with my You Can Be Athena palette and I'm gonna pick this color right here. It's a color corrector for my eyebrows. When I put it on the gray parts of my eyebrow and then I use concealer to cover it, it actually covers a lot better. More RCMA powder, set that cream in. And once again, brush away the excess. Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. I'm just gonna prime my eyelids for this. I'm gonna go in with these two House Labs Triclone Concealers in Fair Neutral and Medium Neutral. And I'm just gonna work them into my eyelids. I'd say that coverage is pretty good. I'm gonna set this concealer with more RCMA powder. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in Granite. I wanna draw my brows in right now so I can get an idea of placement. Cause like, what the fuck is going on? We're gonna figure it out together. Kinda want my brow to continue this upward flight here. Slightly taper off over here. Do I like that? Sure. Just a wing, you know, just an eagle, like. Ah! Is it perfection? Absolutely not. But does it look like I got a mean facelift? Absolutely. Makeup by Mario palette. I'm gonna go in with this super light color right here. Just gonna give my lid a wash. I'm gonna go in with my Blend Bunny Blends palette and I'm gonna go in with Intuition. And I'm gonna just blend that into my brow bone. I'm also going to blend it into my outer corner and then I'm going to drag it out and up. So I'm going to blend it into my brow bone and then blend it into my outer corner. Blend it as far out as I possibly can. I'm going to go in with Nevermore, darken up my outer corners with this. A clean blending brush and blend that in. Apply it onto my inner corner as well. And then blend it out. So I'm gonna apply it to my outer corner. Blend it out. Apply it to my inner corner. Blend it out. Makeup Revolution palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. Pack that onto my lid. And then to really seal the deal, I'm just gonna put some extra in the middle with my finger. Fenty Beauty Soft Lit Foundations in 100 and 295. I'm gonna go in with these e.l.f. bronzing drops in pure gold, and that's what I'm gonna use to contour. I want my concealer to be really bright. I'm gonna go in with this Huda Beauty color corrector in Cherry Blossom. I'm gonna work that under my eyes. I'm gonna go in with just the Fair Neutral this time. Brighten and lighten my under eyes. And I'm trying to keep this line, but you can blend that in if you want. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever HD Blush and Glow palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here. We are going to blush her up. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Setting Spray to kind of just melt everything together. I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder in Fair Clair. I'm just gonna use that for under my eyes. Wow, what a difference. And I'm just gonna brush off the excess. For the rest of my face, I'm gonna mix Fair Neutral and Light Medium together. I'm gonna go in with this Milani bronzing powder in Suntan. I'm gonna reapply the bronzer, but now in powder form. For my blush, I'm gonna do something outrageous. I'm gonna go in with this color in my Revolution Reloaded palette. I know it's an insane color. Who am I? Who do I think I am? I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Sugar Glow Kit. I'm gonna go in with Marshmallow. Do a little glow up. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with this NYX Suede Lip Liner in Moonwalk. And you bet I'm gonna overline my lips. I'm gonna go in with this Milani lipstick in Peony. Not the pink I wanted, but let's see if I could save it. This Laura Mercier lipstick in Rose Claire. Maybe I need to, I'm gonna go back in with the lip liner, see if I could blend these two suckers in. I'm gonna go back in with this pink. I'm gonna put it on my lips. NYX Filler Instinct Lip Gloss in Let's Glaze. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna go back in under my eyes with Intuition. I'm gonna blend her out a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with Nevermore just in like the bottom outer corner of my lash line. And I'm gonna blend her out. I'm gonna go back in with the dip brow gel and just like sharpen up some of my eyebrow lines. Eyeliner time. I'm gonna make an inner corner, I'm gonna make an outer corner, and then I'm just gonna make some lines. That is precise. I just can't get over how beautiful this is. I'm gonna go in with these rhinestones and put them in some parts of my eyeliner. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brow cream in light brown, and I'm gonna make little freckles on my face. Back with the ouzo, I'm gonna make little horns coming out of my mouth. Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. I'm gonna line my waterline. Curl my lashes. I'm gonna go in with these eyelashes. Milani Highly Rated Lash Extensions Tubing Mascara. Alright, I'm gonna go fix my hair, put some accessories on, and I'll be right back. Alright, this is the final look with the accessories and contacts. And my hair slicked down. This is my first look jumping into spring-ish. Let me know what you think. For me, this look is a little tough to categorize. It's definitely alternative, but it's also almost giving 2016 vibes, and it's giving a little punk rock brat style. Just of glam. If you've made it this far in the video, I just want to thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye bye.